Higher instant electric water heater. A whole family safe bathing guarded. Heating indicator light. Knob control simple and easy to operate. Dual copper heating tube is made of pure copper material. Speeds up the heating process. The thickened copper tank is capable of withstanding pressure up to 100,000 times. DC inverter silent pump have lower noise and larger water volume. Safe as unplug. The voltage can always be kept lower than 5 volts to ensure safety. There are more options to choose from.